How to fix the iPhone red screen of death SOD efficiently. Okay, we've learned from our experience and come up with 7 practical methods targeted at the iPhone red screen problem. Now, keep on watching to learn more on this topic. Part 1. Reasons for iPhone red screen problem. A jailbroken iPhone iPad, a battery that doesn't work properly, the misplacement of your SIM card, a faulty or failed iOS update, certain malware attacks, other iPhone-related hardware issues. Part 2. How to fix iPhone red screen of death. 6 fixes. Fix 1. Restart or force restart iPhone. Primarily, the most common iPhone red screen fix is trying to reboot your iPhone. In rare cases, everything will go back to normal. Fix 2. Restore iPhone from recovery mode. The recovery mode can be a worthwhile iPhone red screen restart solution. Fix 3. iPhone into DFU mode. Before you start, make sure you get the latest version of iTunes installed on your computer. Although it's an alternative way to fix iPhone screen turns red when restarting, you may lose your iOS data after being out of the mode. Fix 4. Update iPhone to the latest iOS. Often, when the iPhone screen turns red and shuts off, an old iOS version may be to blame, as your iPhone screen cannot be functioning properly. You need to take the assistance of iTunes to do it. Fix 5. Reinsert SIM card. At times, the iPhone screen goes red. A misplaced SIM card might be responsible for this phenomenon. Fix 6. Get help from Apple Store. It is no doubted that iPhone red screen problem can be a hardware failure in many cases. You can reach out to Apple support online and then send all the things they need to know about your situation.